What's up everyone, I'm Roxy and today is day 15 of my 30 days to get your life together productivity series. So if you're new to my channel and you have no idea what I'm talking about, every single day for the month of June I'll be posting a new productivity challenge that is going to help you get your life together. So it's June, so it's already half of the year and we don't want the rest of 2019 to pass us by without feeling as if we did something for ourselves. Before I share with you my challenge for today, be sure to follow me on Instagram. It's my only social media and there's so much exclusive lifestyle content over there. Okay, so today's video I'm really excited about because today is the day that you're actually going to go into your kitchen and cook your own food. You're gonna cook a meal that you really want to cook. If you don't have all the ingredients, fine, you can cook something simple, but the point is just to take some time to actually be in the kitchen and cook something that is going to help nourish your body. If you're looking for ideas, I do have a cooking video that I will link in on the screen as well as down below that you can check out. It's 3 easy healthy lunch ideas that you can try. Something that I always struggle with is buying food out, and I really don't want to do that. I really want to stop and try to cook as much as I can. Even if you cook unhealthy food at home, it's still way healthier than actually buying out, which makes complete sense because you actually know what you are putting into your own food. Not only are you going to cook a healthy meal today, you're going to sit down and just simply eat that meal without any distractions. You're not going to be on your phone, you're not going to be watching a movie, you're not going to be distracted at all. You're just going to really eat and live and be in that present moment and enjoy the meal that you cooked for yourself and to nourish your body. So many times we just cook food and don't even taste it because we're just on our phone or just watching something and you just mindlessly eat. And that is just something I think that we should challenge ourselves to do today. It may sound really crazy, but I'm doing this challenge with you and I'm really excited to just see how it makes me feel. Just for once in my life in such a really long time, just have my food and just eat it and really just enjoy it and just be in that moment and not be distracted by mindlessness and not really having that time to just do something so simple as cook my own food and enjoy it. I'll be sharing with you a very fun and easy, yummy, delicious recipe with salmon and arugula and mangoes, and I just can't wait to share it with you. So let us go to that. Okay, so that is my delicious salmon and arugula salad with mangoes. It is so good. Let me know if you try it. I will have the recipe linked down below if you are interested in trying it out. Comment down below and let me know a recipe that you want to try. Maybe I can try out some of your own recipes and have a go at that. So that is the end of today's challenge. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thumbs it up if you do enjoy it, and if you are excited for the rest of my 30 days Get Your Life Together productivity series. It means so much to me that you are watching and joining along. I love your messages and I'm so thankful for your support. And don't forget to also subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any amazing content I have planned for you. And I will see you tomorrow for my next productivity challenge. Bye! Mwah.